If you wondered how to record your screen and yourself at the same time, today I'm gonna show you. Meet Loom. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ola from Income Ola, helping you to start and grow online. Loom is a great software. It's completely free. You just download it to your computer and then you can use it to make your videos stunning and professional. So let's jump into my computer and I'll show you how to use Loom. This is loom.com and here you see Get Loom for free. Click this one. Email and create a free account. Put your first name and your last name and password, confirm password. Then you have to check this little box and click continue. Now they are going to verify your email. I have an email from Loom. You click verify your email address. And this is just suggested, let's say for personal use. Let's say this. Now you're choosing how to launch your Loom, from desktop or from Chrome extension. Either way it's free and they work in harmony as it says here. It's a very simple installation. Now after you installing, you go into your workspace and this is your workspace. You have library and you record new video from here, a new folder. You can organize your folders. Now you just hit the icon and it will open this software for you. And here you can choose if you want screen and cam, or just screen only, or just camera only. And also you can choose if you want to use your mic or don't. Here, microphone, Realtek audio or none. And you can see my face here. By the way, you can move this circle around. When you're ready to record, you just click start recording. Okay, now it's recording. Whatever window I'll open, wherever I'll go, it will record my screen. Now after you finish record your video, you see this stop button. You click the stop button. And now the video is processing. When it will be finished, you see this little icon here, then you can download it. Now you just have to wait. Here, now it's available. Click download. It's downloaded and now it's on my computer. You can find link for Loom in the description of this video. If you got value from this video, please give it a big thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.